I don't know why.
Or it's like, it's really good at Tuesday, actually.
I'll throw it away for you. If you know.
I can get it.
I don't want
There comes a time to understand, to reach out and touch tomorrow. Take the future in our hand. We can see a new horizon built on all that we have done, and our dreams begin another thousand circles around the sun. We go on to the joy and through the tears. We go on to discover new frontiers. We go on with the current of the years. We go on moving forward now, as floating on. We're still alone tomorrow. With each rising sun to a new day we go
Ladies and gentlemen, the entire Epcot family thanks you.